Marcia, not unfair, Marcia. Marcia, why you do that? It's unfair. People, Marcia, unfair. What Marcia do to me is unfair, people. That is not fair. Marcia screenshot me in my house. AC and all. Nice bed. Clean background wall. We paint 2 years ago. Look how it's ceiling white. Not even sweat. And Marcia screenshot me and put me up and put reward. For my head and said she want me information. It's unfair, people. Come match and I have no way for me screenshot. Me find that unfair. Match and I have no way for me screenshot. And Marcia want me run left my place now, people, tomorrow. I told me couldn't get the drive to go on over. But me I run away tomorrow, people. Me I go run away tomorrow. Probably me never come live for a while. Me I go run away. It's unfair. Marcia, I want me run up my place because I don't know who going to come look for me now because she put me on publicly so she put up reward. And I only put hungry belly people out there. If she even offer them $200 US dollar, them going to want to come look for me and give me information. So me I take for myself, people. I chew it late and the driver will carry me. So him can't drive at night because him can't say good. So me have to go wait till tomorrow. Happy Monday, people. I want to go on. It come like a be a house problem out here. Marcia want me run left my place. And Tina grudge Planka them for them place. And nobody make them now no way. And nobody make them now no house, Lord God. People, happy Monday. Wanna see where I go on? Marcia says she put up bounty on my head. Not really on my head, she want me information. But she don't write. Marcia says if you don't want to get me information quicker, you should have put up how much money you offer. Quick, probably somebody that give me information when know it or have it. But I don't know really the sense it makes still, but quick, somebody that give the information. But anyway, people, that video is not about Marcia. I will get to that one soon. So you can look out for it. Anyway, so me never know say these non-progressive people we spend them years never seeing it worth owning somewhere. Lord, boy, yeah, bum flicking at me bed, boy, bum flicking at me bed, and me roll from ya so go a niggle and me nah drop off. No landlord nah come knock me door. Water commission and light bill nah fi come knock me gate. Cause me make sure me no make them wait. Cash or kind, me go open it and pay me bill. Only for stop grudge people over them house. Only never see it worth it for own house. Kudos to the people that still try for own a house. You understand? Kudos to the people that still have an intention of owning a house and all the way I can't own none. Me glad for my little matches box. Until God say, extend. Yes man, me glad for your matches box. Nobody never stop me from owning a house. So I never know say uno Planka nation say uno set me up to uno better. We should not live somewhere far down a country can have. Who want somebody to live down my yard who have a country where nobody not live. When fear people live on a place in us, they will vandalize it. When they realize say nobody not in it, they will capture it. When they know say nobody not in it. Who have no house down a country because me want to run if you want couple weeks, because as I say Marcia send out reward for me head. I don't have so much big house and muggle with. Wow, no, I do Tina so. Eh? All one name was sexy BR sitting like so. We make your kitchen a big like the whole of my yard. Jesus, please. Me say the woman throw one kitchen and one bigger weight name the piece in the kitchen there. And me I tell you, not eat. It's about 3 size, the king size the way I look for the woman have. Right now, me say the woman kitchen. I mean I talk about kitchen. Bathroom, washroom, dining room, living room in a one, you know, like Tina, you know. Me I talk about just kitchen, with kitchen accessories. Me say when you look right and see the woman rasky bed, right now I think it's a bed in a Migla one bedroom. And when you look way down there, so you see kitchen cupboard over there, so you see Jesus piece where you can also big. So one of them are called all retired stagnant plankers. So much on we have so much nice house. Lord Jesus, I mean no house no stop come yet. Wait. And the girl go search page. I mean no she see them. But she come like she have dimes ticket. As an investigator here said dimes don't do nothing. But the girl come out for dimes. And when me listen to this video, dimes really not do nothing at all pertaining to she. But she come out for dimes because she grudge people for having things. I realized that dimes just come out and make a post. She claimed to say dimes normally make posts with her place and whatsoever. But dimes come out and make a post and I don't know what dimes say. When I have nothing to do with she, but she never take it lightly. Guilty conscience speak loud. You understand? So basically, it what dimes say might hit her. So she come out for dimes. Say dimes are follow her auntie. And dimes are this and dimes are that. But I wonder if you don't realize something. You don't realize a Tina move. Yes man. This look to me like Tina move. Tina move from which part she did live. You notice, remember you know, Tina said she painting a Christmas. And remember she did move the dress and put it underneath the little dirty place. Picture frame because the 75-inch TV where the people they put out of them gateway because it did have charge, take it up and go fix it. And say she buy it. Because me realize say you have one 40-something inch TV and you need more, you have more priority then than a 75-inch. And you go buy a 75-inch with nowhere to put it. But yesterday they come and tell Dana to put on a wall. So basically, it look like she moved different settings, one little corner with piece of, you know, like them strip something that you put on background on your wall. Yes, alright, that's what she did. Somebody say her daughter place she did. So she can't show it up too much. So I don't know if I the same thing with them did a call on Pandana, it them have to end up with. In the video, you can know so she move. Because she talk about when Chester Jaw come, bed this, bed that. It look like she move, but wait till she reach. You wanna go and do the do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch it ads, continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Run over to TikTok, Life is a Mission TV, and follow me also. And remember, check out the website of Charms and Trend. That shop and buy one of my merch. Right now the video me I go, me now itch.
Shibang, me go talk, right?
Y'all jealous over people out to crack a clot. Wanna listen?
Me critiquing the people them house, kind of have them all tied up in a bunches. You understand me? On the click at 144 on the fire, which means that
ball for likes.
You don't say if you don't like, you don't click the thumbs up, right? Me not gonna know I will click the thumbs up, but that's how I gonna know. So if you don't like me, or you can still come in, sit down,
me
watch.
Me not ask my enemy them for nothing at all. Where? They have to go and watch. Me have to be the winner when them watch and not give me the likes. Me not ask them for nothing. That's why you're desperate.
Click the thumbs up at the very top of the screen. So it's obvious that no found upon you hypocrite. But anyway,
no hypocrite.
Talk for everybody. Hypocrite and people who like me. Yes, it doesn't matter.
They are not hypocrites.
Some voice carries.
They are your enemies.
Yes.
Oh, hypocrite drop in there, so.
Them I catch everybody.
Just come to hear what you have to say.
The host critiquing thing. Everybody I catch them belly and I catch them feelings or inner them feelings from the start critique people houses. So let me get this straight now. When uno auntie they sit down there and I talk people nasty, I'm talking about uno auntie because I uno follow up on the auntie, you know. So uno lead by example, right? So when uno auntie it come on,
I should have said she run a rampant in the video, yeah. Make a name them. Dana, Dimes, Chris, Leisha, 13, and what again? One more somebody. I don't about 6 somebody she unleashed on this video, you know. 6 or more somebody she unleashed on in the video. I wanna go and listen.
Big social media, Instagram and Facebook and TikTok, and come and talk about all people nasty and people for clean up them house and all these other stuff. And oh, me have stayed on mattress, which is an old mattress with a covering that I threw out at the foot of the mattress, right? Because I don't know what I should put it. Maybe my grandkids or the window was up. I don't know. But it's an old mattress, right? I'm gonna just take a picture of it for upload it on my page. First say pants mount need a mattress seat here, just for jokes. And she'll run out things say my mattress that. Run out things.
Alright, make us stick a pin. She threw out the mattress. Something dash upon it. She don't know if her grandchild dash something upon it or what. We know a one room she live in a. One room she live in a. With she and CJ upon one bed. She a go say her grandchild mattress. Where your grandchild mattress are do in a your house where you live. And your grandchild don't live with you. Your grandchild just come spend a few hours or 2 days with you. Where your grandchild mattress are do there. And if you didn't even have a mattress there for your grandchild, your grandchild don't spend no amount of time to make a new mattress becomes old that you have to put covering on it. Because here is an old mattress. Understand me never wrong? And time I say, most owners say yes, most people buy mattress brand new and buy cover with it. You not sleep on your mattress alone and you don't pick around you. Only when you are picking around you might buy a brand new mattress and put cover around it over it because you don't want it dirty up and nasty up too quick. But if you as the adult buy the mattress, you not put no covering on it. It's after it gets certain wear and start, you know you sweat. Because you know most of the material them, by you start sweat, the salt start change the color certain way. And you might not like how it looks, so you might buy a brand new cover put over it. But you not just buy the mattress and not picking around you and you have to put cover on it. Anyway, everybody, 7 brothers, 7 different mind. But if you don't listen, is our grandchild mattress. One, where your grandchild mattress I do a year yard and your grandchild not live with you. Two, why you have such an old mattress that you have to put a cover on it for your grandchild that you have to turn it out. For somebody will come just recently since week you were done, come say a foreigner will live on a turn out mattress, on a turn out furniture and people come and boast about furniture want to turn out and all them sitting as them get old people just turn them out of foreign will live. And you have a settee where you claim to say you buy your daughter come drop down in like the first time you get it and broke off the foot. No more weight can hold in it kin over with you like it a kin pupa lick. No you can't dash out that. You have to sit down in it, you have to sit down in it gently and you have to sit down on one side, the next side is no use to nobody else. And you have that to take up space and you're not in space already. But at the same time, when you listen to her, she turn out the mattress. So a move she a move and dash a fear old mattress where she have no grand pitney mattress. And this is my observation now. It look like a move she a move and she dash out the old mattress. I say which part she look like she there right now. She have to come walk up and down to the kitchen. Because remember the kitchen can't hide, we know it. So she have to come walk up and down that space to make us see. For me, believe say I don't move, that girl and move. And I feel buy fresh thing. In that video here, me she depend when the Chester draw come in the week or I must say tomorrow, then I will do this and then she depend. Wait, remember me depend my live. And she paused the live. Because things are set. The girl move. It look like the girl the eviction or the girl notice the girl get she have to left. So she get somewhere look to me. I don't know how much I want to observe it. Make she continue.
That my mattress because she big and careless, baby love.
A year mattress, boy. Now blame it for your grandpitney because it still look awful for you to find your grandpitney and sleep on the old mattress
right?
there.
And from she start that, the whole of uno know herself. The whole of uno start put out on the house this and house that. Like when I try show shade for me. And yes, my dear child, I catch the shade. Me catch the shade because so she do her stupidness, so she do her carelessness, and so the whole on run out and fall back at her. Only not even have sense enough to sit down and think and say, what she had to make sense? Only not think to herself, say, wait, what is she doing? That don't make no sense. No. But you know fool and don't when I say uno know me attack, right? Me not attack my followers them. Uno know who me attack. But you them fool, them run out and follow everything them see her do. Them not question themselves as different people or individuals. For say, that not make no sense for shadow. No, that don't make no sense. You know, them not think them weird. Them just run out and follow everything what she do. Them not realize if her brain is the brain of a 5-year-old. No.
People, anyway, smoke dead. Fire did either dead or still dead. Everything me think is that me I put the puzzles together. This is why for the past few days this girl have so much time for live. Remember she never did beat nothing of such. So sometimes she could have time for live, yes, but now she have even more time. Because what happened? She moved, so things she finally rearrange and I try to get herself comfortable and set. This is my observation again. So she find a time there for live. And what to make it more interesting for her to be on live. Because if you notice, she over YouTube more than anything else now. One time gone she do a 20 Facebook live and I look on YouTube. Now, she tell you so she left and follow Donna. The same dirty nasty people them we used to talk about. Watch her. It's all about money for her. She don't need it. You see she never want to do live again over Facebook. She come over and she talk about come over YouTube. Yesterday me hear she tell people, Facebook people come over YouTube. Come, Tina Chin, something other than she name out her YouTube name. Come over Facebook people. The same people them, you know. Where did that cost Donna for do that same thing there, you know? Them she says a money making things, so Facebook now pay much. YouTube are the best place today. So she got TikTok and YouTube. She don't have no great support over TikTok for sell her and gift. So basically now, she have to come over YouTube, stick to YouTube mainly. Because YouTube is not like TikTok where you know some people have to give you for your earn. Facebook, views and ads make you earn. So it's easier for somebody to watch our video without it cost them $1. You understand? And watch the ads so she can get a revenue. Unlike TikTok, you have to definitely go in your pocket to give a gift. So she stick to YouTube. The same people that really cost than about the same running from Facebook to YouTube because she look money. But she have to look the money. Because which part she there? Whether her data places where people are suggest and she can't show it, or probably she not ready to show it because she don't want nobody realize so she move. But all of a sudden why these new furnitures that you are turning out all bed all long. Eh? You take people for idiot. But right? In the business, how come
for example, I'm very direct. Right? I'm very direct. I know I'm not gear no hype or not like that, but I'm gonna speak specifically to one person. One person on here who is always, I mean, she's always showing her stuff that she has in her house, which quite frankly, that's her place. I really don't care. You understand me? But you know, when she started doing things that I saw her auntie doing, I said to myself, now how did you get here? You are not that type of person.
Dimes,
you're not like your auntie.
Dimes?
How did you get to that point where you're doing things that your auntie is now doing? You know exactly who I'm talking about. I'm talking about Dimes, yes. She wasn't like that. And this is how people end up losing themselves in other people. They don't have their own identity.
You lose yourself
they don't have their
other people.
own values and their own this, you know. They just start
people.
following and copying things. They don't care if it's dumb or anything like that. Yes. They don't care if it's dumb or anything like that. She was never like that, you know. As a matter of fact, I feel like she is better than all of this. She's so much better than the things that she's doing. I think Dimes is much better than all the nonsense that she's doing. I feel like she was the only one out of all of them who could articulate herself.
Don't come out here and try to bring down the woman and be sarcastic.
She presents herself.
Like you're smart.
She presents herself much better than even her auntie.
Disrespect
so
people
the that she
in a
is doing
decent
these
way.
things,
And if
like,
they don't realize them feel like, oh, you're
her.
saying something good.
But, you know, I can understand, you know, how people have a certain type of impact on you and you don't even realize it. It's a negative impact and it makes you look a type of way, but you don't notice it. You don't realize that it's making you look bad. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, follow fashion. You understand? She don't, you know, be your own identity. You're so much, I see. I'm not going to speak badly about her. I'm just going to speak it for what it is, right? I just see her much better than
All
the
the
things that
fashion,
she's
yeah.
doing
I'm not
and
going
the
to
people
speak bad
that
about
she's
her. I'm just going to
following.
speak of, yeah.
You know, and like I said, she speaks more proper than they do. She looks better than they do. And so it's shocking to see her
The same person you come every day and talk about Bubu
without
always in
having
her
her
nose and
own
she always a pick out her
identity when
nose.
it comes on to certain things. Am I wrong? I just feel like she is just like, in my mind, I'm like, you don't need to be doing this, especially because I was familiar with her from when she was living in the Bronx, like not living, but when she did have her ear shopping at the Bronx and stuff like that. Me just did see her differently. Me never think she would have stooped to these levels of carelessness on social media where she's following back at them careless people there. Because I just consider her aunt to be very careless. And some other people where she a follow back her, I just consider them to be very careless. And for her to be picking up those nasty habits, I'm like, really, Dimes? That I don't see you like that. You're too, you know what I'm saying? But hey, apparently she saw my critiquing of her furniture as something bad. Yeah, I mean, she does give off that pretense type of energy. Yeah, she gives off a pretense type of energy, maybe because what she's presenting is forced. It looks forced. Like she is pushing herself to be what she is not, instead of being her true self.
Speak of yourself,
and that
yes.
may be because she
Them
wants
say
to
speak
sell
of
her
it, devil, man.
products and stuff like
I do
that.
that.
So there are some people who can fake it to make it, but
Hey!
in her case, I don't think she can fake it to make it. And Pat, listen, right? And instead of
There is some people who can fake it to make it, but Dimes can't fake it to make it. But Dimes make it to an extension where you can't reach. You've been faking it for how long and can't move from where you're there. And if you're not fake it, you still not make it. So, me don't know what you say. I better people fake it. If you achieve what them want. I know Fintatina come out here sing on the woman and girl this and gun and this and Tara and what not. And as soon as they get the bus, then go culture, because they know if them did come culture first, the luck would be tough. Very few out of hundreds. But if you come with the other type of singing and DJing, everybody ready for that. So if you use a time bus and make your name where your name out, then you can change. So I don't know. There's somebody fake it and make it. You're not doing none of the above.
me critiquing her, listen, Pat, she put out her house all the time. She put out the inside of her house all the time and stuff like that. So when you put out these public things out there, right, people are gonna pick it up and critique it. Now, me critiquing it doesn't mean that I am non-progressive. Me critiquing it doesn't mean that you're non-progressive. Me critiquing it doesn't mean that I am being disrespectful to you or anything like that. No. But Dimes, you put that information out there. You put that thing out there, right? You put your living room out there. You put your bedroom out there. You started.
No, it makes you jealous. But me got show no lifestyle. You hear she say? Dime put her house out there publicly. There's so many people who put them house out on social media. Why you choose Dimes? Make the public know why you choose Dimes. Hundreds of house out there with people proud of them place. Proud for reach which part them reach. And them show it on them platform. Why you never show some of them house there? Why you never talk about some of them house there? Why you never critique some of them house there? You know what's millionaire and celebrity house there on social media? Where when you look at it, you say, to them have them money, them just crowd up the place. So why you never go critique for them house? That is not the only person of house crowded. You can't tell the woman where to do a house if design and decorate her place. But there's one part of the party where me she say. Dimes put it out there publicly. So she's free to critique it. Your daughter put her illness and what she had got through. Plus the what you call it? The non-connection when you and her have, even when you find out that she's sick. You don't even try to get close. You know? To show her some sense of love and hope in life. Because we are born and grow to hear what this sickness does to many people, not just man or just woman, both. Because you know it come in different form. And she posts that publicly. And people see it and feel to criticize it. And say what they want to say. And share it. Just as how you share it to your people then. And you have a problem. Like it was privately people go dig up her account. To find what she put out there. It was a public post. Just like how Dimes posts her house and it's a public post. And you see it fit because it's a public post to critique her house. When there is so many other houses out there. In different world. Of social media. Celebrities, millionaire, billionaire. And you never choose to critique it. But because it's Dime. And Dime affiliate. Of acquaintance with Donna. And Chris. So this is the reason why you come out for Dimes. Because same as how you feel fit to critique the woman house because it was published publicly on a public platform. I same way people feel free to criticize and critique your daughter illness and what you and her have. The non-connection you want to have for mother and daughter. Or no one way you want to see life.
This competition
when it benefits
you want, like I said, y'all started this whole competition thing. And I throw on a shade. One of the things said that was my bed. You know.
Your bed, where? So I move your move, but you can't move with that whole mattress there.
So you have to dash it out. Perspective. I'm just gonna critique your bedroom.
Move to move, so you have to move with the old bed.
I'm critiquing your bedroom. I'm critiquing your furniture. Because it's out there. And I did say some positive things. You know.
Was the landlord bed? It's like a furnished place. She probably
No,
rent.
she doesn't.
Because she said she get new stove. What's the stove where she get?
In true careless, yeah.
How much I want to see the stove where she get if it was installed? How much I want to see the stove where she get if it was installed in the house where we know her off? Me don't know because I never see if it installed. Because I wonder if the stove come for the next place she go live. Or she damage the people them stove. And two, she have to replace it. I don't know. But I move the girl and move on to turn out the old dirty mattress. Because she couldn't move with that.
Fashion, hot tomato.
Oh, your granddaughter. Where your granddaughter mattress and where your place? Let's say it's a CJ mattress.
And it didn't fit her. It wasn't befitting of her.
Because your granddaughter don't live with you.
You know,
if your granddaughter 4 years old, God bless you, she spent 9 months with you in the whole 4 years. So what she had with mattress in your yard?
All of that wasn't necessary, you know. She was giving off, when she did that one, she was giving off a dirty girl vibes, which I don't think was becoming of her. You know, you heard
just
her,
call
right?
her dirty girl, that's what you want to do. We know you.
Of her to be behaving like that. Hey, Carrie,
don't say she just a try bring off a dirty girl, guys. Call her that, and that's you want to call her. We know you.
You know, and she must remember, right, as you see how adult I am about the situation, she must remember that she's the one who back and belly rapped me before.
And that you want to try to do like you're being nice.
But I chose not to be a nasty
Boy,
person, and I chose to just approach it from an adult, mature perspective, right? I could have been butu and ghetto towards her based on how she did what she did a couple of years ago to me, but I never did, right?
People just always are doing things and not at all. Not at all, people always are doing things.
I could have been ghetto towards and be like,
and it's always people, as I said, where they are either
it full up, I want it back for, no, I didn't do that, no. I approached it differently. So I don't understand why she is getting mad, and I didn't say anything bad about her. No, I was just critiquing the furniture. And all I said is that she has too many oversized things in that place, you know, and not because you have the space doesn't mean that you need to put a piece of furniture in that space. And I felt like, you know, she put her bedroom out there. She put it out there.
Just like how your daughter did put your sickness out there.
I mean, what's wrong with
so
that?
nobody must talk to your talk about your daughter's sickness that she put out there and the life where you and her live. But you have to come talk about people's business.
She's feeling a certain type of way, claiming that I disrespected her and I am this and she's progressive in life and I am.
I want to know.
Basically, she's saying
I say one of them day you have a collapse my life.
I am negative.
Will you see the front of the video? Also one day she going to see that in her car or in her house and she just like feel like it a woken up.
nice things about you. It's just that you were focused on the negative, which is typical. You know, it's typical for people who don't like me to focus on the negatives. They never see the positive. Q2 said it's mind-blowing that she only recognized success because she's in a group with a larger firm. Exactly. Thanks. For anything that I don't remember, you just can drop it in the comment section, okay? Yeah. All of them, you know what I've noticed from that group? They call themselves successful, and a majority of them, they can't even, like, I don't see what's successful about them. But hey, you know, like I said, people measure success differently.
Also a problem, you know, listen.
And
also people also a problem.
They come out here and they put out their places filled with furniture, and they put out their places and they call that success, right? Let's pull the curtain away for a minute. What else is there? You know, what else are you successful with or about? You know, I guess success is a house. You know, they have started this thing on social media where success is a house. Success is a house to them.
It's a part of success.
If you don't have a house, you're not successful. And it's mind-boggling that these groups...
Alright. House is a part of success. Because as I said there in the out, as a picnic band, him say dada before him say mama. Dada. Before him say mama. And the next thing, as him start grow have little sense and reach about 2 years old have sense. And know about house and car. He might tell you about house and car. You understand? House and car. So for big old great tone and big old somebody like a who not see house as success or want to own a house. Me can't see. But when me I say house is not success. Since other thing I say. You will not have no house. What is your success? Because you're going to say this because you don't have any house. So since house is not success, because you don't have none, and these people who see house as a succession and success in life, what you have as your success? What you have as your success? For somebody who feel like you're so bright, so intelligent, what you have as your success? What is your financial success? Come on, Tina, you may talk to. What you have as your success? Since house is not success because you don't own one, so it's not success. You understand? So you don't want the people that who successfully own a house be ahead of you. So put it aside. House is not success. What is your success? What you call success? You operate in a business for over 5 years, you claim to say. And that business has not moved from where you start. It even get worse than where you start. You try so many different things in life and it don't work with you. You work at airport. You thief the people them credit card money. Because you take the people them credit card information and you come out here and blame other people for coming here. You blame Christy the same thing because you know these things are possible, so you feel like everybody's the same thing, so they will do the same thing. Oh, I don't know how people shop with him, because you just want to tear down Chris's business so bad. I don't know why. Oh, I don't know how people shop with him, because I don't know how people trust him for giving for them credit card information. How people they trust you. Innocent until proven guilty. You were proven guilty of stealing people credit card information. All the years of Chris doing his business and taking people credit card to do his business, to transact business and where his product is concerned, and nobody comes out and said their information was stolen. But because you know that is something is possible that can happen, because you know the know-how to do it, just like how you know the know-how to take the money from the GoFundMe to do something else, because you say it. You say it. So you always know how to go around and cheat. So you see like everybody are the same thing. What is your success? House is not a success. So what is your success? Show your success, what you have gained. Come out here and tell me what you believe is success. If house is not a part of success, tell me what is your success and what success is.
As women in their late in life self, they're just trying to find they're trying to find somewhere to belong.
That's all
Right?
every day you get to
Because
people late in
society
life.
don't give two shits about
Everybody
them.
can't have
They
it at
don't
the
give two
same
shits
time.
about them.
But
So
you know
here
that
they
you need a
go
early
trying
nor
to put
late.
out something that and them I try and make you believe said that's what it's supposed to be. You understand me? Oh, I'm successful because I have a house filled with furniture. Is that how you measure success? Is that how you measure it? I mean, I don't understand it. Is that because when you're out there in the
Show me how you do
streets,
it, Tina. Let
walking
us learn
around
from
every
you.
day, conducting business,
Let us learn
associating
from
with
you,
other
Tina.
human
Show me how
beings,
success
they
comes.
don't
Show
know
me.
that you have a house. They don't care to know that you have a house. So to them, you're not success. Nobody cares. You know, especially in these times. I think it's very insensitive of them to be getting up every day and putting out houses, knowing that a lot of people around them are struggling. Why would you do that? Every day you come out and a show off, you wanna have and oh, you know, successful. That's the theme. You know, and that payroll comment
That's all I
of
do
her
every day.
paying
Try to
out
drop other people in
$2,000.
the
Come on,
argument.
guys. $2,000 in payroll is nothing. All right, some of us make that.
You're not paying not even $300. You come out and come tell you one bag of light how much product you sell and this and that and pallet load and we not see you have nobody at work with you. So how can you do so much when you spend so many times on social media? Your body can't drain. Your body can't tired. You're a robot. So if Dimes come out to you and say she pay $2,000 a week for salary, you not even pay $300. $2,000 is a lot of money based on what you understand in America. $2,000 is a lot of money. So what you say? You don't even pay $1. And your business is a production business. And based on how you and your business operate where you produce thousands of what I call it, cakes, cupcakes, and so on. Your production line is supposed to hectic. So you're supposed to have people that work for you. What is your salary that you paid out a week time? 0. So if the woman says she paid $2,000 for salary, you're not supposed to come find an excuse. You of all persons are supposed to find an excuse until you can match up to that. Because your business is a business who probably Dimes alone can stand up in our store and run that. Probably if you want somebody. Your business, you alone can run it. If based on how you are say the production line are run, you alone can run that. But at the same time, the production line when you come out here and make it look like things just fly off of the line like this. Like when clothes wash and put on line and every breeze come and bust it down and so your products are fly off a line. You alone couldn't do that. We know a lie you tell. But make it make sense. If you did not do it, you'd have somebody for pay. And you're not in that pay one somebody. So don't go do man if you have a pay bill that you issue every weekend of $2,000.
Every week, right? You know, these things to prove your worth is unnecessary. And like I said, Dimes, you are so much more than that. You know, you are so much more than what you are. I feel like you're more than what you're portraying because the people that you surround yourself with, you are way above them. So I don't understand, Dimes. Why is it that you're stooping to their
No, that's why you go for because the
doing
people that should
things
around.
that they're doing? You know,
You
that's
didn't want to be around.
behavior. That's small-minded behavior, and I feel like you're above that. You
That's why you
understand what
keep
I'm
going
saying?
for Dimes. Because you feel
Yeah.
like Dimes are weak fence.
Because I think it's just she has to be a certain type of way because she wants to sell our clothes then. That's all it is. She just wants to be a certain type of way, you know.
And if you behave in the manner where you are behaving just to sell your goods, nothing is wrong with Dimes doing what she's doing in a wonderful manner to sell her goods. What if you want to just be like this and follow her auntie? For your auntie followers support her business. Nothing wrong with that. You are do the worst on top of the worst out here to sell your goods. And it not sell. All it do is sell in your mind. You tell lie out, you say it sell and this and that. So why you go to woman if you go the right way, where she can gain customers to support her business? You have a problem with that? Wow.
Has to show that she is with them. You know, she has to prove her worth that way so that they can be with her, if that makes sense.
And that beat your body.
We are only assuming, we're assuming
Cause you
that
know,
she's way better than them based on the things that based on what we see, right? We're assuming that she's better than them, right? That's true. Let me reword that. We're assuming that she's better than them.
I want to hope you include yourself.
I don't understand. I don't get this new norm of these people putting out all of these houses, showing off. And these are people who claim they help the poor.
You know what I said to myself? She have a problem with the people them showing off their houses. She come out and she criticize what must they have from what must they have. Why can't you give the people them and the viewers them a tour of your house and how you set your house so we can learn and follow from you? We just don't want you come out here come say, oh, I put the bed right here and this pillar I did not put it so. I put it long way instead of crossway as usual. I put it long way. Come and demonstrate to us with a house tour, showing you your space, a white space. Like, oh, everybody would have come and show you a white space, and you criticize that you see all one little flowers part there, so with natural flowers where not really need much sunlight nor much water, the little snake looking flowers them. You have like indoor flowers. And if you really like green plant, like 99 she like green plant, she will have green plant inside of her place. Her choice, not yours. You never spend a day, you don't know cement value, you don't know black value, you don't know steel value. When last you walk into a hardware to purchase something, as a matter of fact, you never ever. All you do, you walk in a little place and forget buy a locker or something. Have you ever ordered a ton of steel? Have you ever ordered 500 block? Have you ever ordered a load of cement, a load of gravel, or a load of sand? You know nothing about construction materials. Away from a little locker or whatever you go buy our hardware. So how you come tell people what to do? And you in a people rent house where you can't even go and show your room and say, oh, see, there's somebody that set my bed. Come on, give us a tour of your place. Make we understand how you fix your place so we can follow you. You understand? Not much of us out here can just listen and learn. We need to see the physical movements and action so we can use with eye while we use with ears and put where you put your own ears and the dress around this and the chest and know we must see the inner stuff and we must see in there. So come give a tour of your place, man. You can't give a tour of your place, but you criticize the people that will give a tour of them nice, clean place. People may say me go over teaching you my cooking skill. And me see the people that are sending them house. Some of the people them kitchen bigger than the whole of space with tea girl, you know. But you come and talk about people place jumble up. Me say one your name must say sexy beer shit like so. When you looking at the woman kitchen, Jesus peace. Hey, some of the people them kitchen big like one whole 3-story house, 3-bedroom house. The kitchen alone. How are they at? Tea girl you can't size up. No Photoshop. Tell your people them to send in some house come show where them live. Some of your supporter them. Since you like competition, make we match it up and see. Because we always come out and say Planka people, them are some old people, stagnant people, some retired people, broken papa rising and have nothing just hang on pan straw and pension in America, Canada, England. Come out here, come prove for yourself no. See, auntie start tell them, say, do nothing and show. And houses are coming in. Come back here.
They need to figure out what values what part of society they belong to, right? These are people who supposedly help the people. These are people who supposedly have a bunch of poor people following their platforms, right? They have a bunch of lesser,
work hard for the things, why not?
They have a bunch of people who can't afford certain things following their platforms, but yet still here they go bragging about
somebody else say me want them for palace car the furniture them have be a king and queen look them off.
No matter how little rest
When I
of
go on
society,
listen and
they're
look,
bragging
that one
about
I
it.
name
They have
our
this never
sexy B main
personality.
floor.
Right,
When I
like
look
them
on house
just a
people,
no furniture,
Planka
them
them house,
just a
watch
no
it.
house, them
Tina
just a
come do this
no
and beat the
a
Planka
little
them.
bit of quality life, them just a no.
See
I
that the
mean,
people that have them
you
green
know the sad thing
plant.
about it.
Green
I
plants
see,
grow
I
with
see
clean heart
their
and pure
boss, their
mind.
aunt,
Come
right?
tell
Their
the woman
aunt
that she
is
must
out
have
there
that vase
bragging
there,
and
so wait
trying
and do
to
this up.
devalue
With
other
a
people,
settee there, do the right this up.
right?
With a
But yet
curtain there, do
still,
the so come ask
right?
her.
She's
Tell
the
her she you
same
know like
one
the
who
curtain
came out
there.
here
Whoa.
saying that
Watch
Lotian
nice place to the
start
people
from
them.
nothing and how Lotian had a hard life and Lotian never, and Lotian they live in a basement and all of these other stuff.
Look there
So
people.
how is it?
Look
Because
there.
how
You
is
sit down
it
in
that
that
you're
and jump
coming
up now that
out
it now drop like
bragging
tea
on
girl
other
one.
people and trying to degrade other people, but yet still you have a friend who you come out and tell our business and say she don't have nothing.
Oi. Come on. Don't get the thing twisted. Enough of us coming from nothing at all. And we feel proud to talk about our story and where we're coming from. Unlike you. Even at this live, I mean, hear you say, somebody come out, come talk, or them sell this and them sell. Must say, Leisha, yeah, Leisha, yeah, show your word, pan. Or them sell them catches and them take one, somebody man, must say some brother or sister man, and what, and she talk her business, and you would never do that. Uno shame of uno pass. Uno shame of where uno coming from. You have people gladly want to share them past with people. When them reach a stage in life, them gladly want to share them part with people. Reason being, them want to motivate the next person who feel like say, them can't get which part them they presently know. They were there with them at some point. Or were there before them even reaching that same predicament there. And see which part them there now up on top of the world. So it's like motivation to come out here and tell people where you're coming from. It don't matter if you used to live in the gutter. It don't matter if a girl used to take her mother man. It's where you is today and how you can acknowledge your past. Sometimes your past is sometimes behind you where you can't even control it. You can't do nothing to it. Because of circumstances, so you have to just accept it. And if you can willingly come out here after get past your past and reach which part you're reaching in life, why afraid to come and talk about it? But there's so much past of you, so you're really afraid to talk about your past. Let's get back to the house showing people.
You come out and tell our business, you know, and say Lotian have nothing. You did. And she started a
Watch
business and all of them
house.
something there.
I'll see lonely house a muggle. I'll see lonely house better than your house, girl. You live now way? You live now way? Look on I'll see lonely house. Whoa.
Yeah.
Lord. I'll
You
see
know,
lonely
you come
house
out
a
and
beat your
talk
bad.
and say, oh, Lotian did a suffer and blah, 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 and this and that.
Lotian
Now,
have a
all of
problem with
sudden,
it?
no,
No,
you
where
want
is Miss
to act
Lotian
like you're
today?
better than
Comparing
everybody
to
and stuff
you.
like that. And, you know, you get me?
Watch nice house.
Say what, Bubbles?
How would this
Because
now?
me hear other lies before.
Oh, no name of there so for that one, yeah.
Let me tell you one lie where the
Watch
woman tell you
story and
yesterday,
house.
Bubbles.
Watch there.
The
Whoa,
woman
Tina,
say,
Planka
it's like
house,
you
them
want
here
to
no
talk
Tina.
about her, Bubbles, so we're going to talk about her. We're
Let
gonna
pause
talk.
it a bit there. Them here no Photoshop house, Tina. Them here no go take off a website and Google house, Tina. A Planka Nation house, them here. See them there? Look for nice house, Tina. Come tell the people them say them house chaka chaka and them shouldn't have this and that, this so. You have anywhere if you put nothing? Watch space. Oh, Lord. Wanna look for a nice clean Planka house. Lord. Tina do this and beat them. Right now a beer jars in your bathroom. Right now if you go in your bathroom it no cleans up. Jars throw down all both in a corner. Not even a one close basket. Your jars them just throw down stiff. Hands just a crawl up and down and make nest in the crotches of your jars them, Tina. Nice clean bathroom the Tina. Watch also house clean and pretty. And these the people that talk. Come tell the woman say that shouldn't on the wall. There's a coffee a place. Whoa. Lord, watch nice clean place. Whoa. Let me move on to the next one now. Ah, look upon that one ya. Whoa, that one ya. Just a little bit bigger on my bed when me sleep in the kitchen. Waiting me there so. The countertop here there so. Look there. Look what big people. This is a coming like well a king size me depend, but this is a coming like an oversized king. Look there. Look pan space, look way, and this me a table, look way down there, so you see kitchen accessories different from in the middle here, so and look how wide it is. Look there. This coming like 4 bedroom in a one right here, so in a kitchen this alone. Look the Tina, a Planka Nation people house them a Tina. Look Tina. And the people them this so you say nah no money and stagnant and I'm nothing in America cause yeah look company Tina. Look Tina, see the Tina. Right this alone Tina. Which part that there. Big and which part you right now you're there asleep. Come out here, come show your house like this, Tina. Anytime you can do this, you win.
Talk about her. This is how bare-faced and lie the woman is.
Dana reach America,
Woman
and
said
say Dana
she
can't
pays
move from the little space that she there.
$7,500 for put herself
And
on
Dana
a
video
billboard.
all about before she even book herself in that space because she don't want to expose the people them.
She said she paid for put herself on a billboard. $7,500 US. The humanitarian said that she spent $7,500.
So what the humanitarian have to do?
On a billboard.
What the humanitarian have to do with
in
her?
Times Square.
Yeah, but me hear what you have to say. And move on. The humanitarian says she pay that. What that have to do?
7,000. You heard it, right, Bubbles?
Yeah,
Me
so
say she lie. 7,500 to put herself on the billboard for 1 minute.
alright. She itchy talk. I mean I want my time run out because I have one other part of video I want to play. Based on what I understand, the amount of people that glad and dream for them face or something go on for them on the billboard in a Times Square. The amount of people dream to do that. You ever say humanitarian say she pay 7,500? Or humanitarian come in with she paying 7,500? Like you're trying to say she could have taken that money to give to someone else. What you mean? Me don't understand that part. That part that dash me a ground. Tina, if you get the opportunity now, you don't have the money to pay. What if a man say I pay 10,000 US dollar for you go up on that right now? You need the money more than anything else. But just to compare and size up and say you go on Times Square billboard for half a minute, not even 1 minute, you're that glad to take that. Move out of people's face. You're not jealous and grudge people for everything what them do. If people wear bingo bag jazz, you're not jealous. If them wear G-string, French cut, all kind of cut, you're not jealous. Why? Everything the people them do trouble, you know.
Her husband knew.
I cut out some of the Leisha part. She just did that out of the Leisha. I cut it out.
Nobody needs to know that.
I cut out more side.
Yuck.
This
is the same person who come online and talk about how she used to whore enough.
Leisha she talk about I cut out more side.
She not catching a disease. She's shocked how she not catching a disease the way how she used to whore down the place. Who comes out and says that about themselves publicly?
Woman feel proud of talking of her past.
So, Glitz, when you come out here and
you
talk,
even have worse for past than that the people talk about. So what you say?
First. Okay? We over here minding our business.
The woman
All
proud
right?
of getting over her past. You don't proud.
Your houses and your we don't care. We over here don't care.
Up to today you don't come tell the people them why you carry drugs, you know. All they do, because it is out there publicly, it's a public knowledge, you come out and you accept it. But no, you don't take to your platform and tell your supporters what was the real cause of you. How many times you have do it before you get catch. How many money you were making from it that you take the opportunity and the chances to put your kids behind to do what you do and know it is so risky. I know you don't come out here come tell them past there, you know. I know you don't come out here come tell the people them why you go at over 100 and add people in a social media. Tell the people, sit and reason with the people them for the real reason for each one of these persons that you go at. And then make them make the decision if you were the one at fault or the persons were at fault. Because me can tell you, not one of those persons were at fault where he's concerned. Because when me analyze the situation, I come in a social media, come see and hear and go check the history, not one of these people was at fault where he is concerned. When them used to call you the mermaid and the railway, you used to go on like you were on top. And this is why Tony Matterhorn come out and say, mermaid, you don't know body, you know, mermaid, you don't this, you know, little boy, this, them little boy, that little boy, and this and that. Because that's all you used to profile like you were on top. Because you feel like you were speaking to these entertainers who you call celebrities. You feel like you were all this top radio station hosts or whatsoever. So you used to use that on the people them. So you and them couldn't agree. So when you find out to the people them now go your way now, so you go against the people them. And cause problem between you and the people them. Nasty girl.
Real life is happening for us over here. And we're not looking to belong to no crew or late in life big man when they have nothing to do with themselves. We're not looking to belong. Right? Because we realize that life is more than that. Okay? We are not looking to be should come out back now a kiss 99 ass with our wibble wobble flip flop herself. Right? And then have the audacity to come out here and come and talk about people are mad people and people not take them pills for them house and people now make no money. You can't see the stress all over. You can't tell say them nah no money. You can't tell say she nah no money but tomato because you can't see the stress all over her. Stress the all over she. Cause she nah no more hype. No more hype again. Right? She says she have money and she had 10 million all of them different things there. My girl? Me say from your tear out to your bottom and send it to my phone. Me don't like you. Me 8, 9, 10, 13, 15 you. From your tear out. You never know. For those of
But why? Remember you're a specialist for a long time. I know for that you look up in when you go through the dance hall thing, you know, man. Well, it's not nothing new that, man. A photo that you get, you know. Want to when you do it in a real life. I make Matterhorn them ball out your business, you know, man. In a real life, you do them something with them, man. Matterhorn the ball out your business all the while, man.
be here to talk about his ways of with little boys. I'll be forever here to do that and remind the crowd about his escapades with little boy and the fact that he was found in bed with a little boy. Yes, I'll forever talk about that. So you can report all you want. He reported the video on TikTok, guys. Yes, he did. Because he is scared to face his demons, right? But me I got chat to know because I years now want to make money off of my name. And I years now to make money off of my past, so I time now for make money off of.
And now you need it because there's so many where you have to pay rent.
I make a laugh off of
or have to help your daughter pay rent. This doesn't look like where you live all along. She will take on 13, you know. Now listen, she will take on 13 now. 13 times.
You know, say anybody know how to get police records in England? Anybody knows? I would like to find out how to get a police record because I hear the social one over here running a stinking mouth and I talk about me and my police record and America and immigration. For somebody who has never left, for somebody who's a land crab, right? Use a blood clot land crab sore foot with a tie around your neck, the tie them around your neck. Oh, you know so much about American immigration and Canadian immigration. When was the last time you boarded a flight anywhere? Some 30 odd years now, 40 odd years now, you don't board a flight. You don't know what the inside of a blood clot plane look like. And you want to sit down and talk about immigration and people immigration case and people background. You're too all up in a blood clot people life, dirty woman. Go take care of your immigration case. Go make your auntie fix up your immigration papers. Go make pants mouth fix up your immigration papers. Dirty girl. And yes, we want you, right? Yes, so in America. We want you in America or in Canada. If you can't come to America, try go Canada. You sit up on your blood clot life every day with the sound like you have a balloon in your throat.
I get a lot of criticize people mouth and throat. And you have a toilet in your throat and you're not talking about the toilet in your throat. You're not talking about the rotten teeth them in your jaw corner. Because you come and go on like you have quality teeth through them and look good. People, I'm going to tell you again that makes you fool you know, rotten teeth in her mouth, you hear? The teeth them she have is like chalk teeth. So the teeth them decay in her head. And chalk teeth always give a lot of problem. Chalk teeth hard to take out when dentists take them out. Especially the one them out there where have them only for root there in it, and I like you look at front teeth, like, oh, one pull and it come out. You know you can't teeth them. Some of them have all 3 sprung. And them go up in your way up in your nerves and in your gum. Them they hard to come out. So you see when them decay and the dentist goes so with the pliers to draw them out, them are broke off because them is so soft because it's chalk teeth. Fair teeth. Them so them looking at our head like rat teeth, chalk teeth them. So the whole around the decay and the whole of them broke off from there because you can't see it. You can't see it. Gum no black. And if you feel your teeth, no dentist now full no teeth off in your gum. And when your teeth come and see see safe there. All dentists feel rotten teeth up in a gum. Broke the teeth then broke off. But here one now. If you take them out, a surgery. You have to either slit the gum from way up which part of the root canal there, slit the gum, and then them use them instrument and take them out, and a whole heap of pain and sufferation that. So most time nobody now go through that. So no make you fool, you know, but no feeling. Gum no feel, a teeth feel. Oh.
I talk about people immigration case and I talk about people kids. And I cuss off people mother. Can't even catch your blood clot, Brett. You're all up in the American people business and all up in the Canadian people business. All up in the people business. Nobody tell a bag of lie on people like you know nobody in a blood clot immigration. You know nobody in a immigration? Spell immigration.
People for them ever so she bite up her face. Then she go that way and anything was she talk about a bunny you know.
I style people all up in a people life.
And then I
put up push part me live and all of them something there. All up in a people life. Come. Don't stop posting where I live. Come. Come now. Big bad wolf. Come. I don't know how you get so much knowing on social media. I don't know who built your nasty ass. I don't know who built your germsy looking blood clot ass.
Number woman she attack. The number woman.
Sit down there every day. Dep on your bomber clot phone. I call immigration upon people. Who the fuck you is?
They don't do the same thing as somebody
Dirty Chris a PRS. Dirty nasty Chris. Paying her to do his dirty blood clot work so that him can go up on his page and act like him is a professional businessman and what he learned in business. What kind of boy you learn in a business, Chris? Not even bomber clip customer service you learn in a business. Because the way how you speak to your customers is atrocious. The way how you speak to your employees is atrocious. Where you learn in a business, you did not learn shit in business. You don't know nothing about business. You don't know business theory. Nothing you know about business. Absolutely nothing. You're just like your sister. Want my store, give me money, give me the product. That's all you're about.
Dana get involved here, so for what reason? But Tina, all of these people don't know nothing about business and you have all the business management skill. But where's the business? You have all the business management skill, but where is the business that you talk about every day? Where is the skill that you put into the business that you talk about every day? Where is the management that you put into the business that you talk about every day? The business that people all know 2-3 years ago still can't get them refund or them cake from you. The business that so many people have a problem with you delivering on time. The business that you come and blame UPS for. UPS should just see all this and sue you. You blame them for your mistake of not delivering on time. Where's your management skill in business? We don't see it. We never see the business much as a skill. And these people don't have nothing like that. And they're better off than you.
There are UK court records online. I think the website is called CourtServe. Hold on, let me go get my wire. Give me a second, okay? Girl, batty nice. Like what Glitz say? Like what big, slow Glitz say? Dirty Glitz and Glam say she wants to fight. And yes, I want you. Tire neck, over yes, I want you. When I want you back,
I want to get back. This is a dime to somebody confront you, see?
And yes, I want you.
I mean, I want to confront you with no weapon. I want him confront you.
Ah, yes, I
Physical.
want you.
No weapon.
Wrong plug.
I want to hear the part now she got to talk about dresser. For sure this is the girl. Move!
Crystal paper street.
When I listen, make sure turn on the fan. When I listen now. Then she gonna put the life on
Crystal
pause.
paper
Me dey on
street.
live, me dey on live.
I saw him hungry. He's another 2-month drunk, bro. Hey, you don't know when him is with.
Oh, me just remember the next person now. She not call her name, but just to how she describe the person, cause she said, like she said, Chris drunk a stream maker, like somebody tell her, say, such man. Me lock off my light. Hold on, me gotta lock off my light, people. Such man, you saw the place there, people? Dark. Yeah. Yeah. Like them tell her, I say, such man, place dark. A streamer. So, a such man she attack. But I want to listen to the part where she say, when the Chester draw come, I just say, me know the girl move. But the girl couldn't carry the whole furniture them or unless she did rent the place as a furnished place so she can't carry nothing.
And when him is not with you, look what him do 99. 99 things said he was on her side.
Dark, the place dark.
99
The man
really believes that
the man, the place dark.
Oversized giant the dep on her side.
That's how she said, but me know side the man in the dark she a throw out pan. Somebody say my stream
The
her.
thing I come tomorrow. Oh, well, I'm on my live. Yeah, what's up? Yeah, me I fix it up. The paper they write so I'm gonna put up that paper you write so. Yeah. But I have it outside in the box. It come yesterday actually. We never get a chance to put it up. To finish up the wall. And then when the Chester drawer come tomorrow, I'm gonna put the Chester drawer over there.
She mute the live and I wanna chat. I just so me cut off. I'm never listen no more. When she done paint paper up the wall, because as me said the background she have there now is like she put one decorated paper behind the wall. So it come like the girl move. Either she get to an old, not an old lapidated place and I try set it up. Here she said when the Chester jar come, she gonna do this. The girl move, the girl not live which part she did live. And we are gonna prove it, we are gonna see it. Because she can't just done paint the place in a December. And all of this what she do again, I do so quick. That is why me know so she move or somewhere else she live. And it all play out one of them day, yeah. When you think she do live in the dark, when you think she not show it out in her room more than so in a little dining, living, kitchen and bathroom and washroom. Because she move. But she know what we know. Stay tuned. I don't know what they do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video and please to watch it ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me on TikTok Life is a Mission TV. Run over to the website of Charms and Trend .shop and purchase one of my t-shirt. Stay tuned. This will continue because when me find it out and prove it to you, me I go carry it come show you. Know my style, you know. Because me tell you, me is a great observer. That girl I don't look like she lives same place. You can't just paint place in a Christmas and say you refurbish place. And then no, I put up wallpaper and all kind of sitting on furniture come in. You'd have done that in a Christmas and January. Oh no, wait. Me out.